Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
So I was driving my truck through Arizona. It was around midnight. Quiet highway, stars in the sky.
Sounds nice so far.
Yeah, until I saw flashing red and blue lights behind me.
Oof, that's never a good sign.
I pulled over to the shoulder, turned on my hazard lights, and waited.
Were you nervous?
A bit. I checked my papers. License, registration, logbook. Everything ready.
Good move. So what did the officers say?
Good evening, sir. Do you know why I stopped you?
Not really, officer. Was I speeding?
No, your trailer light on the left side is out.
Oh, really? I didn't notice. I'll check it right away.
May I see your license and logbook, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you hauling anything tonight?
Yes, it's a refrigerated load. Dairy products from Texas to Los Angeles.
All right. Give me a minute. I'll run your info. Okay, Mr. Nick? Everything looks good. Just fix that light when you can.
I actually have a spare one in the truck. Can I replace it now?
Perfect. That's what I like to hear. Drive safe, sir.
Thank you, officer. Have a good night.
You too.
Wow, you handled that so well. I'd be shaking.
Haha, I used to panic too, but after a few years on the road, you learn how to stay calm.
So they were nice?
Yeah, most officers are fine if you're polite and have your papers in order.
And you really had a spare light in the truck?
Always. Rule number 1. Carry extra lights, fuses, and tools.
Smart. Sounds like being a trucker means being part driver, part mechanic, part diplomat.
Exactly. And part comedian sometimes.
Haha, I love that. So no ticket this time.
Nope, just a warning and a story for the podcast.
Perfect. Maybe next episode you can tell us about your craziest delivery.
Oh, I've got a few of those. Stay tuned. Stay